If you want your Samsung phone to flash the camera light or screen when you receive notifications or when alarms sound, here's how you can enable flash notifications on Samsung S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, tap Hearing Enhancements. Now tap Flash Notification. Here you'll see two different options. The first option is Camera Flash Notification. When this is enabled, the rear camera flashlight will blink whenever you receive a call or notification. Individually enable or disable camera flash notifications for a specific app or all apps. The second option is Screen Flash Notification. This makes the entire screen flash with a color when a notification arrives, which can be helpful if your phone is facing you. You can turn on either option or both, depending on your preference. Choose All Apps or choose a specific app with your favorite color. Once enabled, your phone will flash the camera light or screen every time you receive a notification or an incoming call. Tap on Preview to show how it looks when you turn on Flash Notification. And that's how you can enable flash notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26.